County in west central Georgia, southeastern Harris County in west central Georgia, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:07 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Smith Station or over Smiths, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Waverly Hall, Bibb City, Upatoy, Goat Rock Lake, Ellerslie, Edgewood, Flat Rock, Highland Park. Severe weather information. Columbus Metropolitan Airport, Rose Hill, Kenwood, Midland, Fortin, and Mulberry Grove. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.